To Norfolk now, and the other side of a lawsuit filed by a city police officer against a suspect in a standoff last year. We told you about the suit filed by Sergeant Chris Duell on Wednesday. Tonight, the lawyer for the man being sued is talking about his client's role. Then at your side's Andy Fox is following up tonight. Andy?
Attorney Johnny Hooker says his client is not responsible for intentional infliction of distress causing PTSD, as the suit seeking $50,000 states. That his client had no idea who was at his door, that the shooting was an accident. Norfolk, November 26, 2023, 8810 Semmes Avenue. Norfolk Police Sergeant Chris Duell trying to gain entrance to Chad Harrison's home. Sergeant Duell's attorney, Tim Anderson.
The suspect defendant shoots 2 times with a long gun through the door, one bullet almost hitting my client.
Harrison's criminal attorney, Johnny Hooker, says Harrison had no idea who was at his door, and he says police failed to knock and announce their presence, which is a Fourth Amendment requirement.
Because they never announced themselves. They never did what they're supposed to do.
The stipulated facts accepted by the Norfolk Assistant Commonwealth's attorney that Harrison discharged a firearm into the interior floor of the residence, and not at Duell, as Anderson claims. That Harrison discharged the firearm accidentally.
And it was pointed down, and when they breached the door, they hit the firearm because it go off.
Anderson maintains it was not an accident.
You might be able to get away with that on 1 shot, but he shot twice.
As for Sergeant Duell's pending civil case against Harrison for intentional infliction of emotional distress due to the shooting incident,
The bullet went downward, spiraled into the threshold of the door. So that thing came close to the officer, and so I can't imagine what kind of doctor he's going to say he's got PTSD.
Anderson says Harrison's legal team has no idea what the medical records will show concerning mental stress and PTSD. Now, Chad Harrison says he has doorbell video proving his side of the story, that he was charged with felony discharge of a firearm in an occupied building, but accepted a plea of misdemeanor disorderly conduct. Case dismissed after a year of good behavior. The first hearing in the civil case, December 6th. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.